Hey YouTube, if you're anything like me, all of your money winds up going to Starbucks. I recently got an espresso to save some money and have fun making drinks at home. And my friend just became a barista at Starbucks, which means I get all of the insight on the secret recipes. Today I'm creating the vanilla sweet cream cold foam, a personal favorite of mine, and an amazing topper to pretty much any espresso drink you can make or even a nice coffee. If you want to see how, just keep watching. Alright, ready for the secret recipe? Here it is. You're going to take 2 tablespoons, 2% milk, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and then 1 pump of any vanilla syrup. Milk, cream. I'm using this cinnamon vanilla syrup in my cold foam just because I like it a lot. I like the little cinnamon flavor, but if you want just a plain vanilla, I recommend the Tirani one if you want one that is sugar-free or has sugar. They offer both, and it's awesome. And here I'm using the arancino frother from Nespresso. In order to get a cold foam, you hold down the button, and once the blue light comes on, you'll see that it starts to go. Once the blue light turns off, you know that it is done. And this is after literally 1 round. If you want it even thicker, you could go for another one, but this is very similar to the Starbucks consistency. I'm gonna go in here and pour it on over. Recipe if you want more, but I just did it over 1 shot of espresso, so this is perfectly fine for me. And there's even some leftover in the cup that you could scoop on out into your latte. Top it off with some caramel drizzle, and I swear you won't even know that you're not at Starbucks. It is delicious. If you like this content, like this video and subscribe for more. Let me know what other recipes you'd like to see below.